Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be collaborating with Exyhair. They sent me over 3 bundles of their Afro Kinky human hair in 16 inches in the color 1B. I will have all the details to this hair in the description box below if you want to check that out. So the hair comes very compressed, but it is very soft and easy to pull apart. I would say though that the only con of this hair is that it falls apart very easy. So every time I would separate the hair or smooth it out with my fingers, it wouldn't necessarily shed, but just fall apart, if that makes sense. So I had to keep adding the hair that broke off back to the bundle and kind of, form it back together. But it wasn't hard to install it all, and I actually ended up using all 3 bundles. But I would say for a full head, I would suggest getting maybe about 4 or 5 bundles, especially, if your hair is more on a thicker or longer side. So I will be doing the feed-in method, which is braiding her natural hair first, then adding in the human hair. Now, this hair can puff up as you work with it, so I would suggest, to twist a bit tighter than you would with any other types of natural hair. So here are what the first 3 twists are looking like so far, and I do want to show you guys a close-up of how I install the hair. So like I said, I am doing a feed-in method, so I'm just taking the Afro Kinky hair and applying it between my thumb and index finger, and then I just braid down a few times. And after that, I split her natural hair in half and begin twisting. And it does matter the direction in which you're twisting. I think I was twisting right over left, but I was twisting in opposite directions as I was twisting down, if that makes sense. So this is the final look. I'm just going to go in with my spray bottle and just mist her hair down a little bit, just to add some moisture back into her hair. And then I'm going to add some Lotta Body Mousse to her hair just to remove any types of frizz. And I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. And I will see you guys in my next video.